Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to install virtual machines on Windows operating system. Here we are going to learn to install Linux virtual machine. That may be the Ubuntu operating system or Kali Linux or Rocky Linux, any Linux you can install on Windows operating system. I have a Windows operating system. I want to install Linux virtual machine on Windows operating system. To install the virtual machine on Windows OS, first download Oracle VirtualBox. Go to the Google, download Oracle VirtualBox. Click on here. Okay. As my host operating system is a Windows, it is a Windows operating system. That's why you have to install Windows host. Choose this option. Download it. Okay. Then install the VirtualBox extension pack. Accept and download. First install the VirtualBox platform. Then install the VirtualBox extension pack. I have already installed in my machine. Okay. Then you have to download the Ubuntu. As I am going to install Ubuntu OS on Windows, that's why I have to download Ubuntu 22.04 LTS download. Click on here. And then desktop image. Then here is Ubuntu 22.4 this option. Click on here and download it. I have already downloaded in my desktop. This is the Ubuntu image. You can see this is the Ubuntu 22.04.5 desktop AMD 64 ISO. I have already downloaded. Okay. Download Oracle VirtualBox. It is already downloaded and installed in my machine and installed. And then download the Ubuntu OS. This is the Ubuntu 2404 LTS. I have downloaded on my desktop. Then first open the Oracle VirtualBox. Okay. Click on Start and VirtualBox. Open this. As I have already installed two virtual machine, Ubuntu virtual machine. Here I am going to show a fresh installation. Okay. Then go to the settings. Then go to the new. Click on name of the virtual machine. Here I am going to install Ubuntu VM. Okay. Any name you can give. Then this is the folder where your virtual machines are stored. I will show you later how you can see. Then choose the image, the Ubuntu 22 LTS image. I have saved it on my desktop. You can see this is this. This is the Ubuntu image. Okay. Then click on here and other and choose the desktop. Here you can see the desktop, all files. Just click on this and click on other, and here you can see this is the desktop, and you can see that this is the image. Choose the image and click on open. Okay, I name it Ubuntu-VA. Okay, any name you can give. Then choose on next. Then choose the username of the virtual machine. I name it me. Okay. Then choose the password of the virtual machine. Again, you rewrite the password. Then choose the guest edition. Click on the guest edition. Then click on next. Then choose the hardware of this virtual machine. I have 6-core processor. That's why I have choose for the virtual machine 3. You can see the task manager. I have this 6-core. That's why I have choose the 3 cores for the virtual machine and 3 cores for the Ubuntu Windows operating system. Okay. And this is the memory. I have 16 GB memory. According to your memory space, you can allocate the memory for the virtual machine. I have chosen, if your machine is 8 GB, you can choose the 4 GB or 3.5 GB. I have chosen 3 GB near about. Okay. Then click on next. This is the virtual hard disk of the virtual machine. The virtual machine hard disk. All the files and folders and operating system are saved in this virtual hard disk. I have chosen 30. My hard disk is total hard disk is 1 TB. That's why I choose the virtual hard disk for this virtual machine 30 GB. Okay. Then click on next. This is the summary of this virtual machine's configuration. I have chosen base memory 3100 MB, processor 3, disk space 3 GB. Okay. Then click on finish. Okay. It will start to create a virtual machine on Ubuntu operating system. Okay. You can see the Ubuntu underscore VM. It is starts installing. Okay. Don't touch anything. Just it is automatically installed the Ubuntu operating system on your Windows machine. Okay. It takes time to install the Ubuntu OS. You can see this is the installing Ubuntu OS. Right now I am installing Ubuntu OS on Windows machine. My Windows machine. You can minimize it. You can see it is installed. All the installation going on. Verifying the installation configuration. You can click close this button. The installation process is going on. You can full screen it. You can restore it. You can see creating ext4 file system of this. Okay, you can minimize it. Just now it is going to, it is now installation is going on. In the meanwhile, you can see this is the Ubuntu VirtualBox Manager, Oracle VirtualBox Manager. I have installed 2 virtual machine Ubuntu, and right now I am installing a fresh virtual machine, that is Ubuntu virtual machine. Okay, you can minimize it also. I also go to the files folder and click on C, and here users, here you can see VirtualBox. Here you can see all the VirtualBox name for all the VirtualBox, all the virtual machines. It creates a folder on your Windows operating system. Ubuntu VM, it is also Ubuntu VM. Ubuntu VBox new clone, it is also Ubuntu VBox new clone, and it is Ubuntu VBox new. All the virtual disks for this virtual machine is saved here. You can see the virtual disk, Ubuntu VM VDI virtual disk image. Whenever you delete this virtual machine or any virtual machines, right click and remove. Whenever you remove this virtual machine, it will also remove this virtual machines folder. Okay, it deletes all the files and folders of this virtual machine. Okay, just close it. Just it is installing process is going on. You can see the installation process is going on. This is the VirtualBox manager. This is the installation process. Wait a little bit. Here you can see the configuration for this virtual machine. Go to settings. Okay, then advanced or go to systems. You can see the processor 3. Earlier I have chosen it, and the network. Here you can see the net, and okay, cancel it. It install, minimize it. It install all the files. The installation of Ubuntu LTS is going on. It takes time to install virtual machine using Oracle VirtualBox. Okay, wait a little bit. Here you can see it takes time to install the virtual machine by using Oracle VirtualBox. Okay, just recap. To install the virtual machine on Windows, first download the Oracle VirtualBox. Just click. This is the Oracle VirtualBox website. Download first it Windows host, then install it. Then download the virtual extension pack, that is the accepted download, and install it. Okay, then open the virtual box manager, then click on new, and I have shown earlier, configure that and start, and it will start the installation process. It takes time to install. Right now I am pause the video. After completing, I will resume it. In the meantime, I can show you how to remove one of the virtual machines. To remove the virtual machines, you can just select the virtual machine you want to remove and right click and remove. After clicking it, all the files and folders of these virtual machines will be deleted, and it is also deleted from the Windows virtual machines. Okay, from the Windows. I mean to say, you can all the okay, then VirtualBox. Here you can see if if I delete this but remove it, it will also delete it here also. Here you can see the virtual disk image. This is the virtual disk image. Okay, it will be also deleted. Just show, click here, remove, and you can see also it will be deleted. Okay, click here and remove. If you delete all files, then it will also delete it here also, and you can also remove all. I delete all the files and folders of this virtual machine. Click here, you can see that all the files and folders will also deleted here also. It will restore the disk space. Okay, it consumes the disk space. Okay, it is deleted. Close it, minimize it, and restore. You can see it is still installation is going on. It takes time to install the virtual machine. Wait a little bit. It is almost done. It is almost done. Installation is almost complete. Wait a little bit. It is restarting. It is restarting. You can resize it. Okay. It is starts the Ubuntu. Wait a little bit. You can move it here. You can minimize it. You can restore it. Okay. Okay. Then put the username. Then put the password you have set. Okay. Then click on enter. Hit enter. Okay. It will opens the Ubuntu virtual machine. Then you can click skip. Next. Next. Okay. Force quit. Okay. This is the fresh Ubuntu. Okay. You can see this is the Ubuntu machine on Windows operating system. It will not hamper your Windows operating system. It is the Windows operating system. On top of that, I have installed Ubuntu by using Oracle VirtualBox. Okay. Here you can see one configuration. If you want to copy from the Windows machine and paste it onto the paste it onto the Ubuntu machine, you have to go to the device and drag and share clipboard and go to the by direction. Okay. Say for example, you want to copy this URL, Control X. Okay. And you have to paste it Ubuntu machine. This is the LibreOffice and paste it here. Okay, you can see this is the paste. If you want to copy from here, cut and paste it to the Windows machine, you can also paste it here. Okay. In this way, it is also restored, but close it, don't say. Okay. Drag and drop, you can use also bidirectional. Okay. You can also launch the terminal. Click here and terminal. And just you can zoom out. Control Shift and plus. Okay. Just update the Ubuntu operating system. To update the first command is sudo apt update and hit enter. Put the password. You can say this is not the sudo or password. To set the sudo or password or to the user me is the you have to set the sudo. To set the sudo, su space hyphen and then put the password you have already set. Here you can use this command sudo vsudo and hit enter. Here go to the press the lower arrow, down arrow, and here you can see this. Here you can put the username of your operating system. Here my username is this and tab all the information copy from upper all equal to first bracket all colon all says well then put the control X and hit Y and then enter and first exit from the root here and now you can use the sudo command sudo app update and hit enter then put the password. You can see that now sudo is active. In this way, you can set the sudo on. Okay, it is updated. Here in this machine, you can install the VS Code also. Okay, you just close it. If you shut down the machine, just click on here, cross button, and you can see the power of the machine. And okay, it will close the machine. If you again want to, here you can see your memory is down. Whenever you switch off your virtual machine, your memory is free. Okay, you can see the memory is free. If you again run the virtual machine using VirtualBox, just first start the VirtualBox, open it. You can see the memory. This is the memory, but this is right now using 8. Okay, whenever you start the virtual machine, it consumes the memory. Okay, just to start the virtual machine, just click on select the virtual machine which you want to start, click here and start here. As soon as it starts the virtual machine, it consumes the memory also. This you can see this, it increasing the memory. Just close this. You can see the memory is increasing 9.3. It consumes the memory. It takes time to start. Wait a little bit. If your mouse pointer is lost, then press the right control from your keyboard. Then this is put the password and hit enter. Okay. Skip. Next. 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 Done. Okay. Then again go to the terminal. Zoom out. To open it, you can also create a file. mk directory sorry, takes time. It is hanging. In this way, you can install the virtual machine on Windows. Okay. To close the virtual machine, just click on cross button and power off the machine. Okay. If you like the video, please like it. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment and subscribe it. Thank you.